Hey friends, we're going to play an exercise math game today. So we're going to click on the video up in the top left and then click it again to stop, and it'll be our math problem. You're going to try to figure out the problem, and then you do the exercise that goes with it. And then at the end, I'll tell you if you were right. So our first one is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. So look at the exercises over here. Whatever you think the answer is, do that exercise for 30 seconds. Ready, go. All right, the correct answer was 8, so hopefully you were doing bottom kickers. Correct answer was 8, so hopefully you were doing bottom kickers. All right, let's go again. 3 plus 5 is the math problem. You have 30 seconds, 3 plus 5. So look at your list of exercises, figure out what the answer is, and do that exercise for 30 seconds. Here we go. Hi friends, 7 plus 1 is the same as 3 plus 5. 7 plus 1 and 3 plus 5 are both 8, so we were doing bottom kickers again. Hopefully you were doing bottom kickers again. All right, let's do another round. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. So figure out what that answer is, and then look at your exercises over here and do that activity for 30 seconds. Here we go. Hi friends, 7 plus 3 is 10. So hopefully you're doing high knees during that time. All right, we're going to go again. Our math problem is 6 plus 2. So add 6 plus 2. It's okay if you're not ready with your math problem by the time we hit the timer. You can still try to figure it out, and then once you figure it out, you can do your exercise then. So 6 plus 2, figure out your answer. Here we go for 30 seconds. So friends, 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8 again. So we were doing bottom kickers during that time. Let's go again. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Figure out that math problem. Look at your different exercises. And we're going to do that for 30 seconds. Here we go. Friends, 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So hopefully you were doing toe touches during that time. All right, friends, let's go again. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. So figure out what 8 plus 1 is. Look at your exercises over here. We're going to do that exercise starting now. Friends, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 was the correct answer, so hopefully you're doing frog jumps during that time. All right, let's go again. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is our math problem, so figure that out. And then we are going to start our timer again. If you're not done in time, that's okay. Keep figuring out while the timer starts, and then when you're ready, figure out the exercise that you have to do from your answer. All right, friends, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 again, so hopefully you're doing frog jumps again for that 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and start our exercises, or our equations again. This time our math equation is 4 plus 3. So figure out what 4 plus 3 is. We're going to do that exercise for 30 seconds again. If you don't have it yet, that's okay. Just figure it out at your own pace, and then start the exercise when you're ready. All right, friends, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7, so hopefully you're doing arm circles during that time. Hopefully you're doing arm circles, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, let's get another equation. 3 plus 7. So figure out the answer to 3 plus 7. And you know, a little tidbit for some of my younger friends, 3 plus 7 is going to give you the same answer as 7 plus 3. It's a cool thing about math. You can put those two numbers in any order and they still give you the same answer. So 3 plus 7 equals the same number as 7 plus 3. All right, here we go. So friends, 3 plus 7, like I said, the same as 7 plus 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10, just like 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right, we're going to do another equation. 5 plus 3. We've had a lot of big numbers today. 5 plus 3. So figure out what 5 plus 3 is, and we're going to do that activity for 30 seconds. Here we go. Friends, 5 plus 3 equals 8. 3 plus 5 also equals 8. So hopefully you were doing bottom kickers on that one. All right, friends, let's start our equation again. Let's see what equation we get this time. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Figure out what 6 plus 2 is. We're going to do that activity for 30 seconds. Here we go. All right, friends, 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8, so hopefully you're doing bottom kickers during that time. All right, let's see what equation we get next. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. So let's figure out what 5 plus 5 is. Then we're going to do that activity for 30 seconds. Here we go. All right, friends, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So hopefully you're doing high knees that time. Hopefully you're doing high knees. Let's give ourselves another equation. 5. Friends, we're getting a lot of the same numbers. So I'm trying to give you some different. Here we go. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Let's figure out what 2 plus 2 is. And then we're going to do that activity for 30 seconds. Here we go. All right, friends, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So hopefully you were doing the cobra pose during that time. Friends, we're going to do another one right now. Here we go. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. And again, the cool thing about addition is 3 plus 4 gives you the same answer as 4 plus 3. So try to figure out what 3 plus 4 is, and then we're going to do that activity now for 30 seconds. Here we go. All right, friends, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So hopefully you're doing arm circles during that time. Hopefully you're doing arm circles because 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's see what we get next. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. So figure out what that answer is. Look at your board. Do that activity for the next 30 seconds. Here we go. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this game today. If you want, I can also share the link with you so you can play it on your own. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you soon.